Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. I am Suman M. Swarna. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots, isn't it? We have discussed about the squares and the worksheet 1. Now coming to the square roots. Now what is a square root? 2 square is 4. You already know. So reverse. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. So square root of 4 is 2. 3 square is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Understood? Squares and square roots. Now the different methods to find out the square root. Now first it is the finding the square root of a number by repeated subtraction method. Now what is the repeated subtraction method? So first example, find the square root of 9 by repeated subtraction method. Now what we have to do is subtract the consecutive odd numbers till you get the answer 0. So the number is 9. So 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. Now take this 8 and write 8 minus next consecutive number is odd number. Consecutive odd number is 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Now take this 5 up. 5 minus next odd number is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. How many steps you have subtracted? 3. So, answer square root of 9 is equal to 3. You know already the small numbers, the squares and square roots you know. You have already learned, isn't it? Up to 30. But we have to show the method. This is the method to find out the square root by repeated subtraction method. Now coming to 121. So 121, first subtract 1 from it. So you get how much? 120. Next 120 minus next odd number is 3. So it will be 117. Now take 117 minus next odd is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1, 1. 112. Okay, now 112 minus next odd is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now how much is remaining? 0, then 1. Now take this 105 minus next odd is 9. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. Now how much is remaining? 9. Next 96 minus next odd is 11. 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. So you got 85. Now 85 minus 11 के बाद कौन सा वाला? Odd number is 13. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 72 minus 13 के बाद 15. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here it is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now 57 minus 17, isn't it? So 7 minus 7, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. Next 40 minus 17 के बाद 19. That means 10 minus 9 is 1. Now how much is remaining? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next 21 minus 19 के बाद 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. So The answer square root of 121 is equal to how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You know already 11 square is 121. Is it clear? So that was about the example. Now coming to the sums, that is worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 is for the repeated subtraction method. Okay, now first it is 16. So the same step, same method, but what we are going to do is we'll write it in the horizontal way. Okay, so it is easy. You have to find, you have to use this method. And how many steps? First only you put the numbers. So first step, 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Second step, 15 minus, it is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 1. Next, third step, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Now fourth step, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So answer square root of 16 is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already we have written. Is it clear? Now coming to the next 49. So first step, 49 minus 1, 48. Second, 48 minus 1 के बाद 3, it will be 45. In the third step, it is 45 minus 5, it will be 40. Next, 40 minus 7, it is 33. Next, 33 minus 7 के बाद आएगा 9. 13 minus 9, 4. Now 2 is remaining. Next, 24 minus 11. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Next, 13 minus 11 के बाद 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. So answer is square root of 49 is equal to how many steps? 7. Hope you are understanding the sum. Isn't it easy? So first 64. 64 minus 1, 63. Second step, 63 minus 3, it is 60. Third step, 60 minus 5, it is 55. Fourth step, it is 55 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now it is 4 remaining. Now fifth step is 48 minus 7 के बाद आएगा 9. 18 minus 9, 9. Now 3 is remaining. Next 39 minus 9 के बाद 11. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 1, 2. Now next step is 28 minus 11 के बाद 13. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. Next 15 minus 13 के बाद 15. That is 0. So answer square root of 64 is equal to how many steps? 8. Already you know 8 square is 64. Now coming to the fourth sum, 100. So first it is a 100 minus 1, 99. Second step, 99 minus 3, 96. Third step, 96 minus 5, it is 91, isn't it? Now, 91 minus 7, 11 minus 7, it is 4. Now, here it is 8. Next, 84 minus 9, 14 minus 9, it is 5. Now, 7 is remaining. Next step is 75 minus, after 9 it is 11. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 1, it is 6. Next step, 64 minus, next odd number is 13. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Now, 51 minus, next odd is 15. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now it is 4 minus 1 is 3. Next step, 36 minus, after 15 it is 17. 16 minus 7, 9. Now 2 minus 1, 1. Now it is 19 minus, next odd is 19, it is 0. So you already know square root of 100 is equal to 10. Easy, isn't it? Only the difficulty is subtraction. If you are wrong in one step, then the next full sum will be wrong. So take care. Now coming to fifth question, that is 169. Now first 169 minus 1, 168. Next 168 minus 3, it is 165. Third step, 165 minus, next odd is 5, so it will be 160. Now 160 minus, next odd is 7, so it will be 10 minus 7, 3. Now it is 5 and 1. Now it is 153 minus, after 7 it is 9. 13 minus 9, it will be 4. Next it is here 4 is remaining, 1. Next 144 minus, next odd is 11. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 and now 1. Now 133 minus, next odd is 13. So it will be 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 1, 2 and 1. Next it is 120 minus, next odd is 15. So it will be 10 minus 5, 5. Now here it is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1. Next 105 minus, after 15 it is 17. With bigger numbers, better be careful. Okay. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Now here 9 is remaining, isn't it? 9 minus 1 is 8. Now next it is 88 minus 19. It is 18 minus 9, 9. Now here it is 7 minus 1, 6. Next 69 minus, after 19 it will be 21. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. Now it is 48 minus, next odd is 23. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now the 13th step, 25 minus, next odd is 25. You got 0. So already you know it is square root of 169 is equal to 13. How many steps? 13 steps. Is it okay? Now coming to the question number 6, 81. 81 minus 1, 80. Second step, 80 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 7 remaining. Next, it is 77 minus 5. Next odd, isn't it? 7 minus 5 is 2 and it is 7 remaining. Fourth step, it is 72 minus, next odd is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5 and here it is 6. Fifth step, 65 minus, here it is 7, now it will be 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now how much is remaining? 5. Next, it is 56 minus, next odd is 11. 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Now the seventh step, it is 45 minus, here it is 11. Now put 13. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. Now next, 32 minus, here it is 13. Now we have to put 15. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now 2 minus 1, 1. Now we have got 17 minus 17, isn't it? So it is 0. So answer will be square root of 81. How many steps? 9 steps. Is it okay? Now coming to square root of 256. Bigger number. 256 minus 1. 255. Second step, 255 minus, it is 3, isn't it? 5 minus 3, 2. Here it is 5 as it is, 2 as it is. Next, 252 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here it is 4 remaining, then 2. Next, it is 247 minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 4 as it is, 2 as it is. Next, 240 minus 7. Now here we have to put 9. 10 minus 9, 1. Now 3 is remaining, 2. Now sixth step is 231 minus, here it is 9, put 11. 1 minus 1, 0. Now 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 as it is. Next, 220 minus, here it is 11, put 13. 10 minus 3, 7. Now here it is 1 minus 1, 0 and 2 as it is. Next, 207 minus 13, so put 15. 7 minus 5, 2. Here it is 10 minus 1, 9. Now 1 remains. Next, 192 minus, here it is 15. Now put 17. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now 8 minus 1, 7. 1 as it is. Now next is 175 minus 17. Now put 19. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 as it is. Next 156 minus, here 19, so put 21. 6 minus 1, 5. Now here 5 minus 2, 3 and 1 as it is. Next 135 minus 21, now put 23. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 2, 1 and 1 as it is. Now next 13th step, 112 minus 23. Now put 25. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here it is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Next 87 minus 25. So put 27. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. Next 60 minus 27. Now put 29. 10 minus 9, 1. Now it is a 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now next step 31 minus, here it is 29. Next odd is 31. That is 0. So the answer, how many steps you have done? 16. Square root of 256 is equal to 16. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding. Now the last sum, 144. So 144 minus 1, 143. Second step, 143 minus 3 is 140. Third, 140 minus 5, 135. Next, 135 minus 7. 15 minus 7, 8. Now 2 is remaining, 1. Now 128 minus, here it is 7, 9. 18 minus 9, 9. 1 is remaining, 1 as it is. Sixth step, 119 minus, here it is 9, 11. 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 as it is. Next, 108 minus, here it is 11, now it is 13. 8 minus 3, 5. Now 10 minus 1, 9. Next, 95 minus 15. It is 5 minus 5, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. Next, 80 minus, here it is 15. Now put 17. It will be 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 7 minus 1 is 6. Next, it is 63 minus 17. Now put 19. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Next step, 44 minus 19. Now you have to put 21. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. Now here 4 minus 2 is 2. Now last step, it is 23 minus, here it is 21. So here we will put 23. See. So how many steps we have done? Answer, square root of 144 is equal to 12. Is it clear? So we have completed worksheet 2. That is the simplest method but not usually used. If they ask in the exam, find the square root of the number by using the repeated subtraction method, then only you have to do. Otherwise, usually we don't use this method to find the square root because it is a lengthy process, isn't it? That's why. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.